Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X, published on November 25, 2025, about 5 days ago. It introduces a new reinforcement learning framework called Adv-GRPO that treats the image itself as a rich reward signal, cutting down reward hacking while beating strong baselines in human studies, with about 70% win rate in image quality and around 72% in aesthetics. The paper is titled, The Image as Its Own Reward, Reinforcement Learning with Adversarial Reward for Image Generation. And as we will see later, the implications for how we train image generators are quite significant. Alright, Figure 1 lays out what Adv-GRPO actually delivers. The left panel shows that, for the same PIC-score or OCR benchmarks, human raters prefer Adv-GRPO images over Flow-GRPO by a wide margin, so reward hacking is reduced. The middle panel illustrates using a visual foundation model as the reward backbone, where Dino features guide the generator toward richer, more detailed scenes. The right panel demonstrates reinforcement learning-based distribution transfer, with ice cream images shifting from the base SD3 style toward a high-quality reference style. Well, Figure 2 contrasts Flow-GRPO with SD3 using human win rates. The left panel shows that under PIC-score, SD3 dominates on perceived quality and aesthetics, while Flow-GRPO only edges ahead on text alignment, which hints at reward hacking toward narrow goals. The right panel repeats the story for the OCR reward. Flow-GRPO wins on alignment, but SD3 clearly wins on overall quality and aesthetics. So the baseline method chases the metric, while human judges still prefer the unoptimized base model. Alright. Figure 3 illustrates the full Adv-GRPO pipeline as a game between a generator and a discriminator. The generator proposes candidate images, shown as generated samples, and the discriminator compares them to high-quality reference samples. The discriminator judges real or fake, then converts that judgment into a reward signal and an entropy loss. That reward flows back through the GRPO loss, so the generator steadily moves its images toward the reference distribution, while avoiding reward hacking. So Figure 4 turns that pipeline into hard human numbers. The left two panels compare Adv-GRPO with Flow-GRPO and show big gains in quality and aesthetics under both PIC-score and OCR rewards, while keeping or slightly improving alignment. The right two panels compare Adv-GRPO with the base SD3 model and reveal that naive reward optimization tends to hurt either quality or aesthetics. Adv-GRPO instead pushes the frontier upward, delivering better images without sacrificing text faithfulness. Okay, Figure 6 reports how human judges react when Dino acts as the reward signal. The left panel shows Adv-GRPO beating SD3 on quality, alignment, and especially aesthetics, where the win rate jumps to about 72%. The middle panel compares against Flow-GRPO under the same Dino reward and shows clear wins in both quality and aesthetics. The right panel is even stronger, with over 90% quality wins when Adv-GRPO uses Dino, while Flow-GRPO still follows the PIC-score reward. So after those Dino-based human wins, Table 1 checks whether the method still hits the standard numerical targets. The table lists PIC-score and OCR accuracy for SD3, Flow-GRPO, and Adv-GRPO. Both reinforcement learning methods reach about 22.8 PIC-score, clearly above SD3 at 21.7. For OCR, Flow-GRPO and Adv-GRPO both hit 0.91 accuracy versus 0.58 for SD3, which means the adversarial reward keeps benchmark strength while tackling reward hacking. So Table 2 extends that story to more general benchmarks. The table compares SD3 with Adv-GRPO using the Dino reward on PIC-score, OCR accuracy, and the general eval compositional score, where higher is better. Adv-GRPO nudges PIC-score up slightly, but more importantly raises OCR accuracy from 0.59 to 0.69, and general eval from 0.61 to 0.69. That combination means Dino-based rewards improve text faithfulness and object correctness without sacrificing headline preference scores. So the big message is that Adv-GRPO treats the image itself plus Dino-like visual features as a dense reward, which cuts reward hacking while boosting quality, aesthetics, and alignment. More broadly, this points to reinforcement learning systems that learn from rich visual comparisons, not fragile scalar scores. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.